So the next step I would like to show you is how you set up in your control panel an email. And of course, you scroll down to the email sections, and in the email accounts, you see here that all the different emails you can set up for every single domain. And of course, you would like to add a new one. And what you would like to do is you select, of course, the domain name. In this case, it's Papa's Marketing. And then you just pick a name. In this case, I call the email address help@papas.marketing. Then again, choose a super strong password, that has, numbers, uppercase and lowercase, letters in it, and also like special characters. And then, of course, you have to retype that password just to make sure that nobody really can enter your email address. And then also I have the tendency to set up my email inbox as like unlimited, that emails are not bouncing, and that's about it. Then you have here send a welcome email with my client configuration instructions. That's it. You click create account, and then you have already access to your email. And how you can access your email address, I show you then also right after that. So now you created the help@papas.marketing email address, and you want to now find a way how to access it. And it's actually pretty simple. Once you have your domain name, in this case it's papas.marketing, at the very end you create a slash and you write it out, and it's called webmail. So if you do that, then you get to the webmail login mask, so to speak, in form. And here you type now in your help@papas.marketing and your password. And then you click on login. And once you're logged in, here we go. You are now within your email setup. And of course, I can show you this later. You can forward and redirect that. And you can also make sure that, you can also use your help@papas.marketing with other email clients if you like to do that. I know for sure this webmail from Horde, which is called, is not one of the best ones. I actually always felt like it's kind of like cheesy, and I'm very easy like lost. But so to speak, you can create a new message. You can write new messages here and send emails, and you can test it right away. You also have here, this is just like the text message function or like in HTML modus, where you have different options. You can write a text bold, or can highlight it, or write it in different colors and so on. But it basically shows you that the email box is up and running, and you can use it, and you have your own email address. So the next thing I would like to show you is how to forward an email address. So for example, you go back first of all in your control panel, right? And then in the emails, you see here email accounts and also forwarders. So you click on forwarders, and in forwarders, you want to add a different email. So that means, it could be, I have this tendency that I receive different emails from different domains, but I don't want to miss any email box. So what I do is I just forward to my private email all those different emails so I don't miss them. So how you can do this is now the following. You click on add forwarder. Then the address to forward in this particular case is help@. Then you pick the domain. In this case, it's papas.marketing. And then you forward the email to, and in this case, it's my private one, ryder.bernard@gmail.com. Yeah, and that's about it. Discard and send an error to the sender, failure message, no such person at this address, whatever. I leave these standards, and I don't even go into the advanced options, but that's it. That is doing the trick. So that means if somebody is sending you an email to help@papas.marketing, it is going to be forwarded automatically now to my email address, ryder.bernard@gmail.com. And of course, you click then add forwarder, and it's all ready and set up. And of course, you can test it and check it then by yourself.